What is on my nails? I ain't gonna hold you. I was like, what am I gonna do with this?
What did you say? What did you say?
Genius. Amazing. Great. Okay. Because I'm a good person.
I'm a good person.
Well, oh my gosh. It's just so good. Like, concentrate. And I was telling the lady,
Ma'am.
it's not. It was just the whole thing. And I was a little upset. After 40 flights of stairs, I was like,
baby, it's too hot for this.
what's up everybody? My name is Andrea. If you're new here and if you are, feel free to hit that subscribe button down below. And to my OG subscribers, thanks for tuning back in and welcome back to another video. Okay, so today we have another haul and it's a mixture of Homegoods, Amazon, and Etsy, all commingled to make this greatness. So let's hop right on it. So scalloped finishes have been having a moment, okay? And I've been living for it. A while back I bought this like wavy type body mirror. It's body size so I can see my full body, but it's a floor mirror and I still love it to this day. Like one of my most special pieces. I just feel like it's a nice break from all the lines and furniture, bookshelves, rugs. So good. Now I found this mirror at Ross for only $19. I'm gonna put up a video of it because I don't want to blind you with my light by holding up a mirror to my light, you know? So yeah, like I was saying, it was only $19 at Ross, and when I saw it, I was very shocked, okay? Now, if you don't have the vision for what scalloped formed things can be, it can maybe look kind of kiddish, maybe like a little bit tacky, but like I said, when I saw it, I just saw the form and the shape that it was. I've seen chairs with this shape, I've seen headboards, benches. It just, that waviness, like catch the wave, you know? Girl down. I actually got this mirror a while back. I was planning on putting it in my niece's room, but then I thought, ooh, hanging up a mirror, she's very active, she loves to jump, that might be kind of hazardous. So I just kept it for myself, and it's the perfect size to add a little zhuzh to a small space. Like if you want to add something special but nothing overwhelming, this is the piece for it. I think I'm gonna put it either in my office area where there's like a blank wall or above my sink in the kitchen. I haven't decided just yet, but either of those places, it'll look amazing and bring so much to the space. Like I said, I'm so excited. The shape, the depth with that black, it's just gonna be so good. So on to some more scallop shaped pieces. I found these actually on Amazon. There are these Viola Calcutta marble little discs, trays, if you will. I got 3 of them because you know how I am about marble. I'm very particular about the veining and I want it to be just right. So I got 3. Wait. I don't want to drop these, so I'll show you on the side. I got 3 of them, and I will say that what is on my nails? Something turned my nails black. But anyway, I was looking for some cute pieces to add to my new nightstands I'm going to be getting in for my bedroom, and I thought these would be cute. Now, I did read the dimensions before I bought them. I did know they were 4 inches. I do know what 4 inches looks like, but I didn't realize that they were going to be so fun size. Like they're teeny.
That's what she said.
And I started looking at them. I ain't gonna hold you. I was like, what am I gonna do with this? So I'm on the fence about keeping them. You guys know I love marble, and these are super, super cute. They were like $52, so not horrible, but that wasn't the best deal either. Just being honest. Sorry, not sorry. Like, yeah, they'll be cute on top of a book, but $52 book topper? However, it wasn't until I found this next piece I'm about to show you that the light bulb went off. Alright, so I'm in HomeGoods and you know, I'm just shopping around trying to hurry up and make a roundup of all the normal decor. No, what the heck? All the normal decor before the holiday decor picks up in the store, and I found candle holders, but supersized. Are you joking? If I had pearls, I would clutch them, but I don't, so I won't. But there are these candlestick holders, and as you can see, they're massive, so I can put them on the floor. I grabbed them before anyone else could even see them, okay? And I must have grabbed them too quick because they didn't have a price tag on them. So I was walking through the aisles trying to find an associate to give me a price on them because they're amazing, but I'm not paying like $100 a piece for them, right? So I saw an associate in the frame area, and she was like, yeah, I saw you grab those. And I was like, uh-oh, I forgot to put a price on them.
What did you say? What did you say?
You saw me grab these, knew they didn't have a price on them, and didn't think to say, hey, I see you're interested in those. I forgot to put a price tag on them, but I'll get them for you now. You let me walk around the store to find help to get the price for these? Okay. But she was super sweet and she rectified the situation. She actually went to make a tag while I got in line, which was right around the store. Don't even get me started on that. But I was able to wait in line while she got a tag for these. Now, I got this because I was eyeing the floor candelabra by Athena Calderon, her collab with Crate & Barrel, and I was gonna bite the bullet and buy that because like a candle holder that is on the floor, like genius, amazing, great, right? But then I saw these and they were only $40 a piece, so of course the cheaper options. One, I got two of them and I just loved like the detail. It's like little levels of, I don't even know what you would call this, but it's just so many layers to this. Black iron, super good quality. They have a little spot here for a pillar candle, but I was thinking, going back to these little marble disc, it would be cute to put these inside of here as like a base to add like, you see what I'm saying? It adds a little bit more interest. And then I can put a taper candle on top because pillar candles, great. But I just feel like they're so, you know? They're so. And I love a taper candle. I just love how slender and petite they are. So I was thinking I can put a marble disc here in the little slot, if you will, and then I put a taper candle on top. I already ordered some supplies to kind of makeshift the way it's gonna stick on there. It's in my head, but I don't think it's translating well out of my mouth, you know? But then I was looking at the marble disc, and like I said, these are cute, but I was like, Andrea, you're a bold girl. You are a bold marble girl. I love just like that deep, especially if it's Viola Calcutta marble, I love that deep purple, that sometimes burgundy that you can get in there. So I went onto Etsy to see if I can find a 4-inch coaster that was a little bit more of a statement than these, and I found them. Is this a joke? Like, if I could make these into some sunglasses, like, hey, wouldn't be able to see anything, but all right. Concentrate. But I got this set of 4. They're coasters. I was actually able to speak to the shop because, like I told you guys, I'm very particular about the veining. I'm not going to be paying high dollar for these pieces and have like that much veining, that much detail. No ma'am, okay? So she or he, I don't know, they will be politically correct. They actually showed me a picture of them finished and I could not be more in love. Obviously I only need 2, so I'll use the other 2 as actual coasters. But like I said, I needed 4 inches because that's what'll fit inside here. And y'all, Oh my gosh, it's just so good. Like, so I'm probably gonna have to show you on the side because I don't think this is giving what it needs to give. But do you see just the dimension, how much bolder these are than the scallop disc? Like, I'm so in love. And like I said, I'm gonna do a little DIY taper candle holder on top of this so it doesn't fall off. I could, fun fact, if you melt, like say you light a candle and you get some of the melted wax and put it on top of whatever you're gonna sit the taper candle on, you could actually stick it onto there. But I don't want to take the chance that there's oil. Is there oil in wax? I don't know, but I don't want to take the chance because, you know, marble is very porous. I don't want to take a chance on it staining the marble, so I got some supplies. I already told you about that, but I just think it's going to be amazing. This whole setup, like I said, I got 2 of them. I'm debating on whether I want to elevate one on like a small pedestal to give that staggered effect, but either way, they'll look great in a hallway, in a corner, like somewhere where you need a little something, but there's not a huge amount of space. You know what I mean? Now, I went through hell to get these, okay? Ordering process, seamless. Great customer service. Yes, love that. But the courier delivered them to the wrong address. So I was at work when I was tracking the order. I was like, oh shoot, my stuff is delivered. Maybe I should go get them, right? I was like, no, I'll just wait till I get home. Got home from work, there was nothing by the door. Now the courier was DHL and they're not open 24 hours, so I couldn't call right then. I think the call center closes at like 7 or something, so I had to wait until 7 the next morning, which wasn't even really 7 o'clock. It was more like 9 o'clock because it's like, I don't know what time zone they're on. But I called them and I was like, hey, you guys said I signed for this package and that it was delivered. 1, it wasn't delivered. 2, I didn't sign because I wasn't here. So we had to do like a whole investigation. It was just like a whole thing. So the representative was like, okay, there's a picture of proof that the package was delivered, which I don't even know why they do that. Like, who's to say a delivery person, nothing against delivery people, I love you guys.
Hey, I love you.
Yeah.
I mean it.
Yeah, me too. Yeah. Whatever. But I'm just saying, like, if there was a dishonest person who would steal packages, who's to say they can't put the package down, take a picture, and then pick it back up? Like, how is that proof of delivery? Make it make sense. Anyway, there was a picture of the box on somebody else's doormat, and I was telling the lady,
ma'am, okay?
Hey, that's not my doormat. It's not. No, I was really nice, but I did let my concern be known, okay? So she was like, okay, we're gonna have to start an investigation, blah, blah, blah. It was the whole thing. And I was a little upset because I had spent, I think I spent $90 on 4 of these. Like, I don't care how much money I make. My money is my money. I spent my money on these. I want my item or I want to be refunded, right? So I was getting impatient and I was like, okay, I know what the doormat looks like. I could, if I really wanted to, walk to each building in my community.
I can do what?
Try to find this doormat, knock on the door and ask them, hey, have you seen a package? Because I know, like with me, I've had 4 packages delivered to my door that weren't mine, and I've had to haul all those packages back to the front office because I'm a good person.
I'm a good person.
But not everybody is very honest, right? And I know, like with me, if I see packages at my door, especially if I know and I'm expecting a package, usually I'll just pick up packages and put them inside and get to them later. So I didn't want to assume that somebody was going to keep my stuff, right? So I was like, okay, I can either wait on them to try to track this package down, or I can take matters into my own hands and go door to door to find my package. But it's summertime. Yeah. Horrible idea. But I did do it. But I only did it for like 2 buildings because I got up one day and it was like 8 o'clock in the morning. And I was like, okay, if I get up early, it won't be as hot. No ma'am, still hot and humid at 8 o'clock in the morning. After 40 flights of stairs, I was like,
Baby, it's too hot for this shit.
I quit, okay? I had a whole attitude, okay? So I was just like, you know what, I'm just gonna put it in God's hands. I'm gonna let them figure that out because I don't get paid for this, okay? Let them handle it. Whatever. Luckily, I came home from work one day and they were at my door, and I just appreciate them that much more because I went through a lot to get these, okay? And they are stunning. So worth the wait. Like, amazing. And last but not least, I don't even know if I want to tell you guys about this because they have been so hard to find ever since I mentioned them last year, and finally I got my hands on some more. Oh my gosh. This is, in my opinion, the best candle on the market, okay? It is by Treo. If you have been here for a while, you've seen this before. It's in the scent Santal. I love everything about it. I love the packaging. It's like this stone gray with like a little bit of a bluish, purplish undertone to it. Matte, and the smell, like, oh my gosh, it is so good, and it really projects well too. I think I got 4 of these. I haven't been able to get my hands any more since my trip to Homegoods, so I don't know if it's seasonal. I don't know, but I just thought I'd mention it. I mentioned it at the end because a lot of people don't watch the video to the end.
You heard me?
So not as many people will have their eyes out for this, but in case you made it to the end, here's a nice treat. Get your hands on it if you see it because, like I said, it's amazing. You'll love it. It's only $12.99 for this size. Amazing. Okay guys, that is it for me today. Thank you so much for tuning in and spending some time with me. I hope these pieces inspired you. I'm so excited to do some shorts finally, especially this candlestick holder, to show you my thought process of when I buy things and what their potential is. Like, it's just gonna be amazing. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Hit that subscribe button and notification bell if you haven't. Take care of yourself, those around you, and your mental health. And I will see you guys in my next video. But until then, peace out.